And are you? All right, me go away. Cause I can't eat my food. When I'm not ready for talk to me, to come back here.
Ready, man, ready.
What you saying?
So, Tanania, me no want to get in a relationship, but me really see my dog really like you, and me just want to know if you have the like with him have for you too.
But me just tell you to come out of my relationship and stop questioning B, bro. You still come and stop questioning B, brother.
Sister, you add me?
No, sir. I father, yeah, man.
Akima, you add me?
No babes, no me other babes.
Swiss.
I mean,
I talked to you the other night and I tell you said to leave people private business alone.
oh, sorry.
Yeah, bro. I'm been a tell her that, bro.
Alright, alright, Mr. Dunn. Me just want to know, bro, if she let me, so me can't ask if, as a dog, me can't know if she dey on the spot that you dey
Use
on.
actions, we not have to use words. You never tell us, I'm come over there earlier on. I heard you on the phone when he was telling you.
Because you do material things that mean I like him.
That's not material, but I'm showing him that I support him. Where do you show anybody that you support them? Do you do that? I always hear upon live just a beat up your gun. Me no see I do not know. Me hear my sister ask if one plane ticket. Me no see nothing happen. She over there course she call me at night. Me no see nothing happen. So what happened? Leave me alone, Swiss.
Listen, your sister didn't buy me a move out of what, so I squeezed the fuck out of it.
It not in a Swiss out those Swiss white.
Listen.
Hey, calm down. We are talking to her, brother. Don't talk about listen.
Your sister.
What you talking about? Calm down your voice, you.
Shut up. Let me talk to Tanania.
I'm Bill boy.
And Tanania asks your sister, I always support her off the live, on the live. So for your information, if she never tell you that, go ahead and ask her.
So because she never buy the one watch, then Swiss they could do something for her. But don't like that.
Because me vex, me upset. But me not upset again, so me gonna buy it for her tomorrow.
So what can buy today?
Tomorrow me get my partner job. Remember my name Swiss Squits.
Squitzley.
Oh, thank you.
That's welcome. No problem.
That's me, Ma. That's me. Oh, Squitzley. Hey.
Akeem, are you okay?
I'm okay, Tantan. Go and go rank, babes. You know you're rank. No pay no mind, babes. Go and go rank, babes.
All right. Swiss.
So come share some love.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye. See him later.
All right, later, babes.
Bye, Yanana.
So how you feel? You're not ashamed?
No.
Eh?
No.
How you feel?
I'm not shame. Shame for what? My name is Squitzley.
What's good? Wow. You're supposed to shame.